Namaskar. I got up 30 minutes ago and I meditated 15 minutes. Suddenly, in meditation, I was meditating. In meditation, last end of the meditation, I got a idea that is, so New Year is coming, yes or no? So in New Year, everyone has their own goals, wishes to be done, and the list will be so many things to be changed themselves. So what I thought, I have, so everyone has some difficulties with their mind, problem with their minds. Everyone has, but some are exemption. Those who have done so much meditation and so much concentration, so they will be overcoming all the mind problems. But some people will have trouble in that. So now what I'm going to say, so uh, just for example, if you write exam, you should be prepared, okay, at least before exam few days, at least one day before you should be prepared. If you enter into exam hall without preparation, when you see the paper you cannot write properly, and you may write something but you cannot write exactly, at least. So preparation should be there, na? Same way, some people think, okay, next year will change. So now we will be like this only. From next year, matlab from January to, we will be changing everything. Every habits, every thinking patterns, everything will be good from the January. No, that will not work. Just as example, in exam center, you will be confused and you may fail also. So just a few days is preparation. At least now I thought there is more, 5 days are there more. I want be positive. Through from next year onwards, these many years we wasted thinking that this and wasting our energy. That is so much important. Energy means even our thought also consumes our energy. That we all know. When you think negative thoughts, you feel the energy flows from your body and you become weak. No, that is energy. So Sushma Sharir. So there is much about spiritual things. Just I am telling. So what I am telling you, just prepare now. This is the best time to prepare yourself. How you prepare? Do everyday meditation that gives you more clarity in your mind, and you will become fantastic from next year onwards. So these 5 days you do preparation, okay, and prepare yourself in everything to be positive and to be, strong in mind in each and every situation. See, most important things, to be aware of yourself. Awareness is the things. If you are thinking, you may think you should aware that you are thinking, that you already know, but you should see that is other person. That means that is another thing. Okay, you will not understand this. You should meditate. Not only you and me, everyone should meditate and do every time japa, matlab, if you, whatever god you like, take one. For example, I like Jesus, I can tell every time, I love you Jesus, bless me Jesus, be with me in every situation, give me energy, give me strength, whatever this you take this, and every time you tell this, so that your mind will not go to other things, other matters, you will be stable. So same thing, you should do meditation, concentrating on breath. However you breathe, how you are taking breath, where it is entering, how your stomach and heart is filling with, and how it is coming, exhalation how it is happening, and inspiration how it is happening, how your body movements are there, everything observe. You keep on concentrate in meditation, that gives you deep meditation. So I am starting now, that's why I want to share you also. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, be safe, and stay blessed. God bless you. Thanks. Advancedly Happy New Year.